Alright guys, so we just made it down here to Hernandez tire sales. We're finally getting our Watanabes. The tires were getting mounted on. We went with some Nitto Neo Gens. Heard they're good for camber. We're probably not going to run a crazy amount, but I want to run, you know, I don't want to be afraid to run some camber. So we're about to get it mounted up. These are the front ones right here, and then the rear ones are over there. So I'm pretty excited to see how they're going to look. Alright guys, so they gave me permission to film. Pretty excited. Those are the tires we're going with. Look pretty aggressive. I like the design on the actual tire, so it's gonna be pretty good. So you can see right there the amount of stretch you're gonna have. It's not too crazy, but a good amount. Awesome guys, so yeah, that was pretty much it right there. I highly recommend these guys. This guy took care of me. I'm gonna get his name right now, but make sure you ask for him. Oh, what'd you say your name was, bro?
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah.
All right, make sure to ask for Alex. But yeah, the tires came out sick. Here they are. Like I said, they're Neo Gens. They're gonna be 17 by 9s in the rear with a 215 45 17, and then on the front it's going to be a 17 by 8 with a 205 45 17. All right guys, so we just got to Lucky 9 right here. We're about to see the engine installed for the first time on our 75 280Z. Pretty excited. Just the engine I believe is installed. No, like, you know, no radiator or anything like that, but it's our first time seeing it, so I'm pretty excited.
What's up, Manny?
What's up, bro?
What's going on? How you doing?
Good. Yourself?
Not bad. What's up?
What's up, bro? Saw that you sent me that pic. I'm excited to. How was it?
Hey, it was good, man. It went in pretty easy. The
Yeah?
transmission's not in, obviously.
Okay.
But,
All right on. What?
I want to ask you about the exhaust and stuff, though.
Okay.
I know you. I don't know if you. I was gonna just install it, but because I don't know about you want to wrap it or what you want to do about that stuff.
Yeah. Or I think we're actually thinking of ordering some. Man, that looks dope.
It looks good.
Oh, what? You got the fuel.
I had to get a new lower radiator hose.
Okay.
I'm figuring out all the wiring right now because
Yeah.
we've upgraded that,
Okay.
and we're gonna do this, but all the wiring has to be upgraded.
Okay.
What is this? This is a 75.
75. Yeah.
Okay, so I think the 75 came with an ammeter
Okay.
in the thing. So it's a little different than what mine is.
Okay.
It's a little different than mine. So you only have one of these, and my car and like his car has two of them.
Okay.
So the wirings are different. So I have to do a lot of rewiring on them.
Okay.
We got to change that the meter from an ammeter to a voltmeter.
Okay.
So you got to get a 280Z, like a layer 280Z, like mine.
Okay. I think we should have the newer one. I'm almost 100% sure.
Yeah, so we have the newer one that we'll put in the newer one.
Okay.
What's it called? So that's why this is kind of stripped out. But we'll be just,
Okay.
I'll just be doing the wiring on that. They're still not perfect, but it looks a lot better than they were.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
And we found the heat shield. That's all taken care of.
¿Qué pasó?
There was a few more. I had to get you a throwout bearing also.
Okay.
So I got a new throwout bearing for you. I'm trying to basically change all the hardware I can out for you.
Sweet.
Any hardware I find that needs to be replaced. I got a new belt for you too.
Big and bulky, or is it just?
Kind of big and bulky.
Okay.
It's not big and bulky too, but look what I got sitting right there though.
That's dope.
Not fitting in your car.
Dude.
You don't sound good. You sound real good. Oh yeah, that's for the RV.
Oof.
Yeah, these people would be nice in there.
Hell yeah. Durelos? Italiano, eh?
Yeah. If you're interested.
Damn, I'm trying to trick you! I'm trying to trick you, bro!
I want to.
You see me? I tried to give it to him. He's like, no, I can't do it. I was trying to see if he slipped up. Like, oh shit.
Okay, italiano.
Sorry, brother. Trying to fuck you up, dog.
Wow.
2 months, bro.
I know.
Paperwork. That's all I need. It's something on paper, so HR guy back.
What? Let me grab them. Let's take them off. See what they look like on the car.
Yeah.
So you can take your system for
Oh, bro.
Look at that. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
That's a real motor now.
Jeez.
If we go like that.
Alright, how much you want for them?
I think they work and everything. I don't know how much they're worth. Dude, they're badass though, huh?
Dude. Okay, say we install them right there.
Uh-huh.
What else would go on top of this?
What do you
Is this
mean?
how clean it would look?
Yeah, basically. Well, you would see, you make it cleaner actually because these are not right.
Yeah.
You make it a little different.
Okay,
And then
okay.
the fuel line would go back there, so it wouldn't even come across right here. Though right now with the dual SUs, you're
Yeah.
gonna have a rail that goes right here in the front, and it goes right here, and then the two. Honestly, it looks way cleaner with this.
Yeah, no, I could.
When you put the dual on there, you'll see it looks like an older motor.
Yeah.
This one just makes it look like. So yeah, this will all you would need basically.
Yeah.
And you can change this all out to nice shit. Yeah, that'd be some other shit.
Think of a price.
Okay. I'll give you a good manifold, a clean manifold.
Okay. Is that like the camera brand? No, right?
The Canon?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not the camera.
Yeah, I was about to
No, these
say.
are good manifolds.
It has like a similar font. What would these be called? What are
These are triple Dellortos
Deldorados?
right there. Those are 40 millimeter. They've been rebuilt already. I've heard them run already. They sound good. And it has all brand new hardware, obviously.
Definitely gonna sleep on that. Dude, that looks nice.
It'll set the motor up crazy. Either way, they're gonna sound good with the dual SUs.
Yeah.
This one this completes. I mean, you got a machine like this.
Do you have the other filter?
Yeah.
Goes with it? Oh, okay.
I don't know. I had it off because I'll show you. Come inside again.
I'm using the company account to get a turbo, just to let you know whether you like it or not.
See, I was 3D printing
Oh.
the thing.
Oh.
I was 3D printing to find the right ones.
Dude.
Because we have a 3D printer now.
Yeah.
So we can make, I'll print you out all 6.
Dude.
I'll sell it to you cheaper than anywhere you can buy it too. I've printed out. Look, like this is for 3D printed.
Oh, dude.
This is dope. This is like a holder. This is 3D printed.
What?
Yeah. So you can take any bolt, right?
Yeah.
And then it's an M8.
See where you're at.
Yeah, it's an M8 by what? 95 millimeters long.
Dude.
Pretty cool, huh?
Dude, yeah. Hell yeah.
They were sick.
Yeah. Has a little bit of age to it.
And then this goes right here.
Okay.
So it has like
Yeah.
braces.
And
And then this goes here. And this goes here.
there.
And then so this goes here. And then the other return goes to this one.
Yeah, the other ones look a lot better.
These were so... No, hubiera tomado fotos. Estaban tan atacados con like dirt and no sé qué. It took a lot of time to clean them up, but they cleaned up really well. I was surprised. I have the steam cleaner.
Oh, okay.
And I found it and I
Yeah.
was like, I'm gonna try it. And so I tried it. It cleaned it so amazing.
Yeah.
But it just took a long time. But it was all steam cleaned.
It almost looks. Is that like cork?
I don't know. It's just a spacer.
Yeah, it has a. That's weird.
But no, I think it's a little dry. But that shit'll work. I had to get a new pilot bushing in the back for like the transmission, so that's in there now. I got
Okay.
new bolts for the transmission. I'm trying to pretty much like if you've noticed already, they have
Yeah.
pretty much all new hardware everywhere.
Yeah.
And right here too. So
Okay.
you're getting all new hardware everywhere, and that's what's kind of taking long. And so I got you all new hardware in the back too.
Yeah.
On the transmission. All new hardware here. Anywhere you pretty much see, I'm trying to put new hardware just so you start fresh, basically. Little by little. I got the new flywheel on there already.
Okay.
And the clutch we're gonna be using is the one that came. Remember you brought me,
Okay.
and that was like supposedly balanced to it. or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
So that's the clutch we're gonna use.
Okay.
We're gonna use that clutch with your light and flywheel.
Okay. Sweet.
Yeah, this motor looks solid. I think I wrote everything down. I think I saw everything.
Yeah.
This motor should be badass.
Dude, those
Throw
triple.
those triples up there? Yeah.
Oh man.
What's another 1,000? Nah, at this point.
Damn. Oh, we got the tires on the
I saw your
wheels.
Instagram, I was like, oh,
Dude.
shit. So that's why I was like, also motivate me to like.
I know.
Right?
Let me know when you know, the final or the first startup?
I haven't put this on because I'm waiting for, what the hell was I waiting for? I think I was just waiting for some help and for it to dry up.
Okay.
But I can pretty much put the transmission in.
Okay.
Once I put the transmission and I'm gonna start putting the drive line in.
Okay.
But I'm just going slowly because I'm putting new bolts everywhere.
Yeah.
And I don't want to rush anything.
Okay.
I want to put new clamps everywhere too.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna keep going little by little, but maybe another week or two.
Okay.
We should be get ready for a startup.
Sweet, man. All right, guys. So that was pretty much it right there. It was just engine reveal. Hopefully in a week or two, we're gonna have it actually for the first time on the ground with the Watanabes, and it should be the first crank also. Finally get it started. What do you guys think? Should we go with the triples? Should we go with the duals? You know, just comment down below what you guys recommend. Cool. Thank you guys for watching.